Student journalists provide a crucial public service by closely covering their schools and communities. And yet, less than half of states have laws protecting student press freedom. That's why we began Student Press Freedom Day.
Student Press Freedom Day is just a reminder that student journalists, their rights are something that are very important for us to uphold. So Student Press Freedom Day is just a day for people to be reminded, so it is an everyday commitment for the rest of the year. It's kind of just making sure that people are aware that this is an issue, but we should be practicing freedom of the press every day of the year and making sure that those rights are upheld.
Student Press Freedom Day is an opportunity for journalists to come together and build a sense of community. Journalism teaches students to ask hard-hitting questions and keep an open and free discourse in our society. Bringing journalists together encourages students to know their rights and make their voices heard.
Student press freedom is integral to the success of that space and that community. And if students aren't protected just as much as everyday journalists or professional journalists are protected, if their work isn't valued at the same level as professionals, I think it really hurts that space and it really hurts the future of our industry.
Join events and workshops hosted by the Student Press Law Center and our partners, or get creative and plan your own Student Press Freedom Day activities. It doesn't take much to get involved in Student Press Freedom Day. Your action could be as simple as campaigning for new voices on your social media platform, telling your story on those platforms, or you could even host a panel, project, or write an op-ed. Your involvement is what makes the day truly impactful.